morning, pupils. I'm your teacher for today. I'm Teacher Bryl. For my whole name is Teacher Jerico Intal. Our subject for today is mathematics. Therefore, our topic for today is all about geometric shapes. Geometric shape. Geometric shape can be defined as a figure or area closed by the boundary, which is created by combining the specific amounts of lines, curves, and points. We have 6 types of geometric shapes that we're going to discuss for today. Square. Next one, the triangle. Rectangle. Next, parallelogram. Trapezoid. Circle. So, next, we're going to tackle about the areas of geometric shapes together with their problem, starting with square. To solve the area of a square, you may use the A is equal to S squared, and you can use the A is equal to S times S. Example. 7 centimeter again is the equivalent to the all sides to resolve that. So, how we can solve again? Just use the simplest way. The A equals to S squared. So, 7 times 7 is 49. So, the answer is 49 squared centimeter. When it comes in triangle, or area of triangle rather, we're going to use the formula of A is equal to 1/2 and B times H. Or B stands for base and H stands for height. Area of triangle. So the height is 2 meters and the base is 10 meters. Determine the area of triangle. You always remember the area of triangle is A is equal to 1/2 B times the height. So let's distribute 1/2. What is the base? That is 10. What is the height? That is 2 meters. So the 10 is divisible by 2. We can divide it. So 5 then 1. Let's times 1 times 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So the answer is 10 squared by meter. So now we're here in the area of rectangle. When we solving the area of rectangle, we just use the A is equal to L times W. L is for length and the W is for wide. Example, 15 centimeter for the length and 12 centimeter for the wide. Let's determine or calculate for this problem. Then, A is equal to L times W. So let's distribute. What is the length? That is 15 centimeter. And the wide is 12 centimeter. Just times it. 15 times 12 is equal to 180 squared centimeter. For the parallelogram, the area of parallelogram is just looking for the A is equal to B times the H. It's just the same as for the triangle, but in the parallelogram doesn't have a half. So the formula or the area that you see for solving for the parallelogram is just for A is equal to B times the H. B is for the base and H is for the height. Example. What if when you're looking for the area of this parallelogram is decimal? How we can solve it? Like this. The height of this parallelogram is 6.2 centimeter, while the base is 10.3 centimeter. How? Let's calculate. It's just the same. A is equal to B times H. What is the base? That's 10.3 centimeter and the height is 6.2 2 centimeter. Just times it. 10.3 times 6.2 is equal to 63.86 square centimeter. And now we're here in the second to the last area of geometric shape. We're here in the area of trapezoid. For the formula in this area, that is the A is equal to 1/2 h, open and close parenthesis, B1 plus B2. What if you encounter this kind of problem? Decimal. The height, it has a 4.1 millimeter. For the base one, it has a 14.5 millimeter. And for the base 2, it has a 20.4 millimeter. How we can solve it? Let's solve. It's just the same process. A is equal to 1/2 h, open and close parenthesis, base 1 plus base 2. Drop B, 1/2. Height is equivalent for the 4.1 millimeter, while the base 1, 14.5 millimeter, and for the base 2 is 20.4 millimeter. So since the 4.1 is divisible by 2, just divide it. So that is the 2.05 millimeter. So drop it. And add these two bases, the 14.5 and 20.4. That is the 34.9 millimeters. So let's times this 2. Is the 2.05 millimeters times the 34.9 millimeters. That is the 71.545 square millimeters. So for the last geometric shape that we're going to discuss, that is the area of a circle. How do we find the area of a circle? The formula is the 8 is equal to pi r squared. R is a radius. So before we use that formula, we must solve first the pi. The pi is equivalent for the 3.1416. But in this case, we just use for the 3.14 because it is the standard formula for the pi. Example. What if you encounter this kind of problem? Decimal. R is equal to 16.8 feet. How we can solve it? Let's do it. It's just a same process. A is equal to pi r squared. Again, pi is 3.14, and what is the r? That's the 16.8 feet. Drop the pi, and 16.8 times by itself, that is equal of 282.24 feet. So 3.14 multiplied by 282.24 feet, that is the equals of 886.23 feet squared. So that's all. That's all our topic for today. And that is all the 6 types of geometric shape. I hope you have learned something in our lesson for today. Again, I'm Teacher Bryl. And see you when I see you. Thank you.